Good morning students, myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you. My next lecture that is related to written part. Okay, I already explained you chapter number 1 and 2. Okay, our explanation part is over. Okay. We will start which thing? Written part. Okay, now I sended you the question new words from the chapter number 1. Already I sent it you in our group, that is the 4 diamond group. Okay, and I think some students are finished their that written thing, means new words. Okay, now today we will start question answer. That question given in the your book, page number 9. Okay, now today we will start writing part, that is related to chapter number 1. Okay, now before that in lecture number 1 to 6 or 7 I only explained you chapter number 1 and 2. Okay, chapter number 1 is my family and chapter number 2 is my extended family. I explained you all the things and we also completed our book exercise, means tick the correct option, fill in the blanks, true and false. Okay, circle the one, whatever given in your textbook we already finished it. Okay, clear? Now today we will start written part, that is the question answer. Now I write here for you question number 1, that is from the chapter number 1. Okay, my family. Now what is given in the question number 1? The question number 1 is, what are the 2 types of families? What is given in the question number 1? What are the 2 types of families? Before that write heading, answer these questions. But student, if you start writing, okay, remember this thing in your mind. Now in the class when you start writing, first page is what you see in your notebook, that is the index page. Okay, now in the index page date wise we have to write whatever we are doing in the class, date, after that topic, and here signature your teacher. Now when you start writing work, okay, at home you are doing, now at present you are doing your written work in the home. Okay, write the date, in which date you have to start writing, write date, okay, and topic. Clear? Now turn the page. From this page you have to write syllabus. Okay, whatever I sent you in the group, write that. Now turn the page. See here, from this page start writing, write date, day. Okay, what you write from the beginning of the chapter, date and day. Okay, now from the first line write chapter. Okay, chapter. After that what you write? Chapter name. Okay, and the heading. But if you write, so leave one line between this thing. Write like in the first line write chapter, leave one line here and write in the third line my family, chapter name. Now after that what you do? Write heading, but leave one line here and write new words, heading. Okay, in the same way if you start writing question answer, you have to write question number 1 and write this heading, answer these questions. Okay, and leave one line and write question number 1. Leave here one line and write question number 1. What is the question number 1? That is also given in your textbook. What is the question number 1? What are the 2 types of families? 2 types of what are the 2 types of families? Now we will start writing answer of this question. Now what are the two types of families? Two types of families. Family is the different. Family means parents and children comes together and make a family. Now the two types of families. This is also given in your textbook. Two types of families are: one, how you start writing your answer, the two types of families are, the two types of families are the number A. The number A is nuclear family. Nuclear families. Now the number 2, that is the B. Number 2 is joint family. That is joint family. Okay, joint families. Clear? These are the two types of families. Now if you finished your answer, this answer finished here, you have to draw one line. Use your scale. With the help of the scale you have to draw line. Okay, like this. Now again leave one line here. Clear? Again leave one line here and write number 2. Clear? Now we write question number 2. What is the question number 2? How do parents help their children? How do parents help their children? What is given in the number 2? How do parents help their children? What is given in the number 2? How do parents help their children? Means how do your parents help you? I explained you na, which thing you get from your family: love, support, okay, and care. This thing and this word I also explained you how you get love from your family, how you get care from your family, how you get your support from your family. Okay, I explained you all the things. Now we write our answer. What is the answer number 2? Parents love, care and support their children. This is the answer. Now parents love. Love means your mummy doing your whole work for you. Only you are doing study at home. Means, and also your mother or your family members gives you help to that work. Okay. It means your mummy loves you. Your father earn money for you. Why your father earn money for you? Because he want to fulfill your wishes, na? If you want to buy a toy, or if you want to new book, it means through that thing your father present their love. Okay. Care means if you need anything, your parents available for you. It means care, and whatever you are doing that time your mummy and your papa take care of that thing. Okay. If you are doing right thing, your parents appreciate to you. Now if you are doing any wrong thing, that time your parents beat you. Okay. That is the simple thing. Punished you. Now support. Support means your family members arrange all the things for you when and which time you need that things. Okay, that is the support. Now your answer number 2 finished here. Now the question number 3. Question number 3. Now the number 3. The question number 3. Why do animals reproduce? Why do animals reproduce? The answer of this question is animals reproduce to produce to produce young ones of their own kind. Okay, clear? Like same way this thing happened in human beings. Your mommy give you birth na, now you have some similarities, means समानताएं होती है. Okay, like eyes your father, like nose your mother, lips your like look like your grandfather. Okay, तो give the birth to their own kind, अपने ही तरह की संतान को जन्म देना. Okay, clear? You have 2 legs, 2 hands, same in your you look like your parents na. Clear? Any difference is there? No. Clear? Means the animals reproduce to produce young one of their own kind. This is the answer number 3. Clear? Now draw here line and start writing number 4. Clear? What is the question number 4? What is adoption? I divide this question in the 2 number. Okay, that is the adoption. Why? What is adoption? I am writing here only this half question here. Okay, what is adoption? Okay, I am writing here only half question. We have to write the half question and rest of the question we write here after the 4th number. What is adoption? First we write the answer of this question. Okay, what is adoption? Write the definition of the adoption. Okay, adoption is a process. How you write? What is the adoption? Adoption is a process by which which people can take a child who is not born to them. Okay, what is the adoption? Adoption is a process by which people can take a child who is not born then. Okay, means children those have no parents. Okay, so, and people those have no kids, so they adopt them. Okay, so this process is called adoption. Okay, this is the legal process. After the some legal things they do are some paperwork, and after they should take care of children. Okay, take a children, and also they don't give the birth to their children. Okay, they adopt their children, means these types of children live in a special house. And I also explain you what is the name of that place. That is the orphanage. Okay, that place is orphanage, means such a types of students live in such a types of house. Okay, clear? Now I finished my answer here. Now this is the question number 4. Students, I divide the question number 4 in the 2 parts. Okay, rest of the question we write in the number on the number 5. Okay. Now write number 5. Number 5. Number 5. Why do, what is given in the number 5? Why do some people adopt children? Why do some people adopt children? This is given in the number 5. Okay. What is the answer? Write the answer of this question. Parents who cannot give birth to their children adopt children. Okay, now answer here finished. The question number 5 is, why do some people adopt children? Simple reason, they have no kids, that's why they adopt other children. Okay, the answer is, parents who cannot give birth to their children adopt children. Okay, now put here line, draw here one line, leave again one line here and write the question number 6. Clear? And student, please write in clean and neat handwriting. Okay, leave proper line, keep the distance between the words. Okay, one finger distance like this way. Okay, clear? Now the question number 6. What is the question number 6? What is differentiate between foster parents and real parents? Before that, we write one extra question. What is that? What is reproduction? Okay, this is the extra question. What is reproduction? This is the extra question. This is not given in textbook, okay, but we have to write here. What is the question? What is reproduction? Okay. The answer of this question is the process of giving birth to babies is called the process of giving birth to babies is called reproduction. Clear? What is the question? What is reproduction? The process of giving birth to babies is called reproduction. Okay, this is the 6th number. This is the extra question. Okay, but you have to write what is reproduction. The process of giving birth to babies is called reproduction. Okay, now the 5th number. Why do some people adopt children? Parents who cannot give birth to their children adopt children. Okay, means people those have no kids. Clear? No baby, they adopt the other children. Okay, clear? Now this is the 5th and 6th number. Now next question is number 7. What is the number 7? This is given in your textbook. Differentiate between differentiate between foster parents and real parents. Now this is the question. I also explained you in the chapter number 1 what is the meaning of the foster parents and real parent. Means mother, those give you birth, that is your real parent, okay, your real mother and father, okay, but those are adopt the children by the legal process. Any kids means people those have no kid or no children, they don't give the birth to any baby, they adopt any other children or adopt any other baby. It means they are the foster parents. People those are after the some legal process take any other kids, means they are the foster parents. Okay, now write your answer. Divide your page in the two part, half part. Okay, now how you write your answer? Write the heading, this side foster parents, and this side real parent. Okay, now write first point, the parents who adopt the children are called foster parents. Now this side, the parents who give the birth to their young ones are called real parents. Okay, now your answer finished here. Draw here one line. Okay, now once again I explain you what is the meaning of the foster parents and real parents. Okay, differentiate means अंतर बताना है आप. Okay, what is the difference? Now foster parents means the parents who adopt the child are called. Why they adopt the child? Because they have no children. Okay, they don't give the birth to any child, they adopt the children. Okay, they are called foster parents. Now the real parents means the parents who give the birth to their young ones. Okay, who give the birth? Mother. Okay, so they are the real parents. That is the difference between the foster parents and real parents. Okay, look here. Read the answer once again. The parents who adopt, you have to divide your page in two parts. Okay, one side write foster parents. Now the next side write real parents. And here write foster parents. Write about that. The foster parents mean the parents who adopt the child are called foster parents. Okay. After the some legal process. Okay. Clear? Now the real parents mean the parents who give the birth to their young ones are called real parents. That is the difference. Clear? Now students, your question answer finished here. We wrote only 7 questions here. Okay, and answer also. Clear? How many question answer we have to wrote here? That is the 7 questions. Okay, now after that we have to write the next question. Okay, now next question is also extra question that is not given in your textbook. Okay, only tick the correct option, true, false, and write B for the animals that give birth to babies and E for those who lay eggs. That is given. Now we have to write here next question, that is the fill in the blanks. Okay, which question? Question number 2 is fill in the blanks. This fill in the blanks not given in your textbook. Okay, this is the extra. Clear? Now write question number 2. And what you write in the heading? Fill in the blanks. What we write? Fill in the blanks. Okay, that is the second question. Fill in the blanks. Now write number 1. Parents and their children make a, what they make a, what we feel here? Family. The option is family. This is the option. Okay, now write number 2. Number 2, human beings are which types of animal? Human beings also animal. Okay, which types of animal? Mammals. This is the option. Okay, MAMMALS. Clear? Mammals. Full stop here. Now the number 3. Number 3, write the number 3. A child without parent without parents live in a orphanage. Okay, this is the option. Orphanage is a house. Okay, name of a house. There, which types of children live? Those have no parents. Okay, clear? Now write number 4. Before that I explain you and I read for you these 3 sentences. Okay children? Parents and their children make a, what they make? They make a family. Okay? Now, number 2, human beings are, which types of animal? Human beings. Human beings also animals. Okay? Which types of animals? Mammals. Okay? What is the option number 2? What we feel here? Mammals. M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals. Now the number 3. A child without parents live in, and where do they live? They live in a orphanage. Orphanage is a house where these types of children live in. Okay? Now the number 4. Number 4 is a family give us which thing? Love. This is the first option. Comma, care and last option is support. Okay, SUPPORT. Clear? What is the 4th number? A family give us love, care and support. Okay? This is the 5th number. The option is love, care and support. We have to fill this option. Clear? Now student, I finished my lecture here, but we have to continue this question from tomorrow. Okay? On tomorrow we write the next sentences, 5th, 6th and 7th. Clear? Now I finished my lecture. Have a nice day. Bye.